In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup Line. By the end, you'll have your chats safely stored in the cloud so you can restore them if you change phones, reset your device, or reinstall the app. We'll walk through each screen together, and I'll share a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by launching your Line app. Give it a moment to load, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign into your Line account. Make sure you're using the account you intend to keep using across devices so your backup and future restore stay in sync. From the main screen, tap the Home tab. It's usually on the bottom row. In the top right corner, tap the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Line keeps all the important account and chat options. Now scroll down until you see Backup and Transfer Chats and tap it. This section is dedicated to saving your chat history and preparing it for transfers to another phone. If you're doing this for the first time, take a second to get familiar with the labels you see here. Next, tap Backup Chat History now. This begins the backup process for your messages and related data. Before it proceeds, Line may ask you to choose or confirm your Google account link. Select the Google account you want to use and make sure you have access to it on this device. If your phone asks for permission to connect to Google Drive, allow it. It also helps to check that you have enough Google Drive space available and that you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. For added security, set a 6-digit PIN code to encrypt your data. Pick a PIN you can remember, store it securely, and do not share it. You may be asked for this PIN when restoring your backup, so keeping it safe is essential. Once you confirm everything, watch the progress indicator and wait for the data upload to reach 100%. Keep the Line app open, avoid switching networks, and try not to let your phone run low on battery during the upload. If your backup is large, this can take a few minutes. When it completes, you'll typically see a confirmation or a timestamp showing the last successful backup. That's it. Your Line chat history is now securely saved to your chosen Google account. If you ever need to restore your chats on a new device, just sign in with the same accounts and follow the prompts. Thanks for watching, and great job protecting your conversations.